Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week I've been rigging and animating the Scorchid to get it moving around, so let's take a look at what I've been doing. At the start of this week, I created the skeleton for the Scorchid. I used a lot more bones for it than I did for the main character, because it has a bendier and more pliable body. It's important to make sure that the axes for the bones are facing the right way. It makes animating far easier when things need to be rotated, such as the bones in the leg or the stinger. Like with the main character, I used inverse kinematics and controllers to move large sections of the body around. It's really cool to see it in effect with the stinger, being able to mimic a stinging strike. Controllers and inverse kinematics make animating models far easier than trying to manipulate the bones individually. I used a similar one for the head and body of the Scorchid, as it brings these forward when it's striking. I created 3 animations for the Scorchid this week: an idle, a walking, and an attack animation. I tried to come up with fun ways for it to move around. I liked the idea of it bobbing from side to side on its leafy legs. The walking animation was a challenge, since I wanted to replicate how spiders and scorpions walk. I think I did a good job with the alternating legs. I'm pleased with how it turned out. I love the stinging animation. It's exactly how I envisioned it, if not better. To further enhance it, I scaled up the size of the stinger point as it strikes, which adds a nice subtle visual effect. Finally, I imported the model into Unity again with the animations, and set up some AI to control its movement. What I like from other games is when enemies do their own thing until you come within their area. And I've been able to make something similar here. The Scorchid will pick a new area to walk there, and then idle for a moment. If the player comes near, it'll approach and attack when it's in range. It's still a bit funky in places though. It isn't behaving exactly as I'd like it to, so it still needs a bit of work to get the AI right. On the whole though, it's getting there, and I'm really pleased with the progress I've made this week. What do you think about this week's video? I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.